So, these are the 4 pillars of client communication. And for sure, guys, alam na alam nyo to eh. Clarity, number 1. And Coach Nats, MB kanina, technically, if you notice, dikit-dikit yung topic namin. And even the explanation we're giving to you guys, dikit-dikit siya. Why? Because it's really connected. It's all about communication. Sabi nga nila, di ba, I'm not faking it until I make it. Hindi yun. Hindi yun. But parang ang ginagawa ko is, while I'm learning it, or while I'm doing it, I'm learning dun sa method na yun. So by learning it, whatever mapik kong golden nuggets dun sa journey ko, ilalagay ko yun sa brain ko, kaya sa isang notes. At the end of the day, magagawan ko siya ng pattern. Kaya, lagi akong may ganito, clarity. I ensure clear, jargon-free language in your communication. Why? Especially in UAE or Middle East country. Language barrier, problema ko yan. Because they're Arabic. In US, I'm not that fluent in English, but I can talk to them fluently. Pero syempre, sometimes they can feel that, are you a Filipina? Are you a South African? Are you an Australian? Parang feeling ko racist na sila. Because hindi ganun yung accent ko. So dito naman sa Pilipinas, maraming business owners, katulad kanina, yung call na ginawa nila Ate Cici. She said, what is that? That's jargon for me. I cannot understand. Because you really have to be simple. You really need to use basic language depending on the client's level or culture. Kasi iba-iba yan eh. Lalo na tayo dito, internationally, locally, di ba we're serving? I don't know if meron dito mga nagsiserve locally. Pero as I heard kanina, parang wala. Pero yun nga, in the Philippines, we need to use jargon-free language in our communication.